Hey guys, I want to take a look at how to use this new website, Delta Math. So you should have already created your account. If not, go back to the playlist, do that first. When you log in, you should see a window that looks very similar to this. And you'll be working on this graphing rational functions for the first time we do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this test one, graphing rational functions. So I've already done one of them. And trying to figure out this program. I messed it up. So what we're going to be doing is basically using these buttons here, the vertical, horizontal, asymptotes, x-intercept, y-intercept, and whole, to plot the important features of our rational function. And then when we're done, we'll click plot rational function, and it'll connect them all together for our rational function. So I went ahead and factored this and simplified all I could, and I found the important features. So we're going to have a vertical asymptote. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to be at x equals -3. So I'm just going to kind of slide that along. If it's a fraction, just go ahead and put it in the best location possible. It'll approximate things for you. We're going to have a horizontal asymptote at -3/5. So I'm just going to kind of drag that down there. So again, it's just very approximate. Just get it close to where it is. So I know -3/5 is more than -1/2 or less than, I guess. So I'm kind of putting it past the halfway mark there. We're going to have some intercepts. So we're going to have an x-intercept at approximately 3.3 here. And we're going to have a y-intercept at approximately 2/3. So I'm going to kind of try to squeak that in there. All right. We didn't have any holes because when we factored this, we didn't cancel any values. So I don't have any holes. But if you did, you would just click that button, drag your hole to wherever it would belong. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to say, all right, plot this rational function. And it's going to use the intercepts and the holes in order to give an approximate curve. So we're going to submit answer. I'm sure I would like to submit it. Got it right. And then it's going to walk me through how we got everything. It's going to give me the exact graph, and then it's going to show me my approximate graph since I just dragged places for fractions. So that is all that you're doing. So once you finish, it'll report the scores to me, and you don't have to do anything more. If you do get a problem incorrect, it will walk you through how it should have worked. So I'm just kind of looking for completion here, and that there was an attempt made. So don't worry about being perfect. This is a learning tool. Let me know if you have any questions or if the program is giving you any trouble.